Welcome to today's video on creating a balanced meal plan for better health. In this guide, we'll take you through everything you need to know about crafting a meal plan that not only meets your nutritional needs but also supports your overall well-being. Whether you're looking to improve your energy levels, manage your weight, or simply live a healthier lifestyle, this video has you covered. Let's dive into the steps to create a balanced meal plan, explore its impacts, understand its importance, and discover the benefits it can bring to your life. How to create a balanced meal plan. Creating a balanced meal plan is a thoughtful process that begins with understanding your body's unique nutritional needs. The foundation of any balanced meal plan lies in variety, ensuring that each meal includes a diverse selection of food groups. Start by incorporating an abundance of fruits and vegetables, which are rich in essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Aim to fill half your plate with these colorful foods. Next, focus on whole grains like brown rice, quinoa, or whole wheat, which provide fiber and sustained energy. Include lean proteins such as chicken, fish, tofu, or legumes to support muscle growth and repair. Healthy fats, like those found in avocados, nuts, and olive oil, are crucial for brain health and hormone production. It's important to pay attention to portion sizes, making sure you're consuming the right amount of each food group without overeating. Planning your meals ahead of time is a critical step, as it helps you make intentional food choices, reduces the temptation to reach for unhealthy options, and streamlines your grocery shopping. Additionally, consider your daily schedule and lifestyle when planning meals, ensuring they are convenient and manageable. Balance is not just about what's on your plate, it's also about when and how you eat. Spread your meals evenly throughout the day, starting with a nutritious breakfast, to maintain stable energy levels and prevent overeating later on. Hydration is another key component, so make it a habit to drink plenty of water throughout the day, aiming for at least 8 glasses. The impacts of a balanced meal plan. The impacts of adhering to a balanced meal plan are extensive and deeply beneficial, touching nearly every aspect of your health. On a day-to-day basis, you may notice improvements in your energy levels, as your body receives a steady supply of the nutrients it needs to function efficiently. Enhanced concentration and mental clarity often follow, as a well-nourished brain is better equipped to tackle daily challenges. Over time, the benefits become even more significant. A balanced diet plays a crucial role in weight management, helping you maintain a healthy body weight or achieve weight loss goals in a sustainable way. This is because a diet rich in whole foods and low in processed sugars and unhealthy fats naturally supports a healthy metabolism and reduces the likelihood of overeating. Moreover, the long-term adherence to a balanced meal plan significantly reduces the risk of developing chronic diseases such as heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and certain types of cancer. Your immune system becomes more robust, better equipped to fight off infections and illnesses, thanks to the consistent intake of vitamins and minerals. Furthermore, the anti-inflammatory properties of many healthy foods can lead to reduced inflammation throughout the body, alleviating symptoms of conditions like arthritis and improving overall joint health. Why a balanced meal plan is important. Understanding the importance of a balanced meal plan is crucial in today's world, where convenience often trumps nutrition. With the proliferation of fast food and processed snacks, it's easy to consume foods that are high in calories but low in essential nutrients. A balanced meal plan serves as a safeguard against these dietary pitfalls, steering you towards nutrient-dense foods that fuel your body efficiently. This approach to eating not only ensures that you're meeting your daily nutritional needs but also fosters a more mindful relationship with food. By carefully planning and choosing your meals, you're more likely to become aware of what you're eating and how it affects your overall health. This mindfulness can lead to better eating habits, such as slower eating, better portion control, and an increased appreciation for the food you consume. Moreover, a balanced diet is integral to preventing nutritional deficiencies, which can have wide-ranging effects on your health, including fatigue, weakened immunity, and poor cognitive function. Prioritizing a balanced meal plan is a proactive approach to maintaining your mental health as well. Proper nutrition is linked to lower levels of stress and anxiety, as well as improved mood stability. By nourishing your brain with the right nutrients, you support its ability to regulate mood and emotions, helping to ward off mental health issues like depression and anxiety. In a broader context, embracing a balanced diet can set a positive example for those around you, encouraging family members, friends, and even your community to make healthier choices. The benefits of a balanced meal plan. The benefits of a balanced meal plan are both immediate and long-lasting, impacting various aspects of your life in positive ways. Physically, a well-rounded diet can enhance your energy and stamina, making it easier to stay active and engage in regular exercise, which further promotes health. By maintaining a balanced diet, you're also likely to see improvements in your skin, hair, and nails, as the nutrients from your food nourish these outward indicators of health. Internally, the benefits extend to your digestive system, with increased fiber intake leading to better digestion and regularity, reducing the risk of gastrointestinal issues. Mentally, the stability provided by a consistent, balanced diet can lead to clearer thinking, improved memory, and a sharper focus. This is especially important in our fast-paced lives, where cognitive demands are high. Emotionally, eating a balanced diet can contribute to a more positive outlook on life. Certain foods, like those rich in omega-3 fatty acids, are known to have mood-boosting properties, helping to combat feelings of sadness or irritability. Socially, following a balanced meal plan empowers you to make healthier choices in social situations, whether you're dining out or attending gatherings, reinforcing your commitment to your health goals. Lastly, in the long term, the effort you put into maintaining a balanced meal plan pays off by significantly reducing your risk of serious health issues, increasing your longevity, and enhancing your overall quality of life. By prioritizing a balanced diet, you're investing in a healthier, happier future, ensuring that you can enjoy life to the fullest with the vitality and energy you need. Thank you for watching. We hope this guide has provided you with valuable insights into the importance of creating and maintaining a balanced meal plan. Remember, your health is your most important asset, and by making mindful choices about what you eat, you're setting the foundation for a healthier, happier life. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on living your best life. Until next time, take care and stay healthy.